Okay, we're gonna talk about how to create a blog using Blogger.com. As we all know, Blogger.com is a blog platform of Google. So this is free. Now to do that, all you need to have is an email account, particularly Gmail. So if you don't have Gmail yet, please do make one. And to access now to create a blog, we will access the blog site, which is www.blogger.com. That's the first step. Access this website, www.blogger.com. On that, you will be asked to sign in. Now, use your Gmail account to sign in. And once you have signed in, you will be redirected to the dashboard of the blogger.com format. Now, to create a blog, you have to click this new blog button. You will be asked for a title, and the title is that's for the sake of this tutorial. That's I'm gonna use how to create a blog using blogger.com, and for the address, it's Uling Tutorial. That's it. So I'm gonna use this one, picture window. So I'm gonna use that template. Now I'm going to create. After that, congratulations, you just have created your first blog. Of course, when creating a blog, you need a content into it. So uh, click this pencil button over here. This is an orange button. And we will have our first post. So this is the first article that we will make. So first post. This is for tutorial basis from ulingsigning.com. Assuming you're done with your post, let's publish it. Once published, you could view your blog. Click the view button, and there you go. So this is this is now our blog. As you can see, the address is ulingtutorial.blogspot.com, and the title is how to create a blog using blogger.com. And first post, this is our first post dated October 5. That's Sunday, that's today. This is for tutorial basis from ulingsider.com. That's it. So this is how you create a blog using blogger.com. Now, to modify or change the templates, what you're going to do is edit some links over here. You could explore. So you just click on it, explore in it, and you will see a lot of things that you could modify. You could change on your blog. So don't be afraid to explore everything. Don't be afraid to click it. That's the best way to learn in how to create a blog. So that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.